Hi. If some days feel heavier than others and it's hard to even put your thoughts into words, this might be a gentle way to start. The ebook Daily Depression Reflection Log. A guided journal for mental clarity is built around a simple but meaningful idea. Writing things down can help you understand what you're feeling instead of carrying everything inside. This isn't just a blank journal, it's a structured daily log designed to guide your thoughts so you're not staring at an empty page wondering what to write. Each entry helps you reflect, track your emotions, and notice patterns over time. That structure actually matters. Research shows that journaling can help reduce stress, improve mood, and support emotional processing by giving your thoughts a clear outlet. In some cases, regular journaling has even been linked to noticeable reductions in anxiety and depression symptoms when practiced consistently. Inside this ebook, the focus is on daily awareness, understanding how you feel, what triggers certain emotions, and how your mindset shifts from day to day. What makes this especially helpful is that it's not overwhelming. You don't need to write pages or have the right words. Just a few minutes a day can help you release thoughts, gain clarity, and feel a bit more in control. Over time, this kind of habit can help you notice progress, even small changes that are easy to miss otherwise. And sometimes seeing that progress written down can be incredibly motivating. It's also important to mention that tools like this don't replace professional help, but they can be a powerful support alongside other approaches. And since it's a digital download, you can access it instantly and start using it right away at your own pace. You'll find Daily Depression Reflection Log, a guided journal for mental clarity, in the description. Take a look and see if it feels right for you.